Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech AI. Today we're going to explore a super cool feature that you might not know about, generating AI images using Microsoft Bing. Yes, you heard that right. Bing is not just for searching the web, it's also an amazing tool for creating stunning AI-generated images. So, let's dive right in and see how it's done. First things first, open your web browser and head over to bing.com. Once you're there, you'll see the familiar search bar. But today, we're not just searching, we're creating. To get started, you need to be logged into your Microsoft account. If you don't have one yet, it's quick and easy to sign up. Just click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page and follow the prompts. Once you're logged in, go back to the Bing homepage. Now, here's where the magic happens. In the search bar, type in AI Image Generator and hit Enter. You'll see a link to Bing's Image Creator tool right at the top. Click on that, and it'll take you to the image creation page. This is where the fun begins. You'll see a text box where you can enter a description of the image you want to generate. Be as creative and detailed as you like. The more specific you are, the better the AI will understand what you're looking for. For example, let's try something fun. I'm going to type in a futuristic cityscape at sunset with flying cars and neon lights. Once you've entered your description, click on the Create button. The AI will take a moment to process your request and generate the image. This usually takes a few seconds, so be patient. And there it is. How awesome is that? You can see the AI has created a beautiful image based on our description. If you're not completely satisfied with the result, you can tweak your description and try again. Once you're happy with your image, you can download it to your computer by clicking the Download button. It's that simple. And just like that, you have a stunning, AI-generated image ready to use. Whether it's for a project, a presentation, or just for fun, Bing's AI Image Creator is a fantastic tool to have in your creative toolkit. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and fun. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. And if you have any questions or want to share your AI-generated images, drop a comment below. I'd love to see what you come up with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy creating!